everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and this time I'm doing a beautiful set of red bling nails. So the first thing that I'm doing is I'm going in with my holographic polish in the color Just My Luck by Color Club, and I'm doing that on the pinky and the middle fingers. As you guys know, this is the color that I always use as a base for my bling nails. So anytime you see me doing this color on a full nail, you would know that I'm doing a full bling down nail. And then for the rest of the nails, you already know what color I'm using. This is in the color Dragonfire by La Palm, which is my all-time favorite red polish. As you can see, I'm having to tilt my bottle over to the side because I'm almost out, and I'm so sad because I think I mentioned this before, but my local nail supply store stopped selling this brand, so the only place to find it would be online. And yeah, so I'm gonna have to find me a different one that's really close to it, because I don't want to have to order it online. I'm pretty sure I have one, but I'm just stuck on this Dragonfire. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of the nails with the red. Again, this is in the color Dragonfire by La Palm, and yes, it is a gel polish. I'm gonna try to leave the link down in the description. I've never actually ordered any of the La Palm polishes online, but I'll look for some and I'll be sure to leave it down below. But again, same thing on the other hand. We're gonna do the pinky and the middle finger with the Just My Luck polish by Color Club, and then the rest with the red. And then as always, we're curing each coat for 30 seconds. Alrighty, so next I'm gonna go ahead and do a second coat of that Dragonfire gel polish on both hands. And as you guys know, I always do 2 coats of any color. Unless I'm doing a chrome, then I only do 1 coat and then I do the chrome over the nails. But again, just doing a second coat, and then as always, curing for 30 seconds or however long your gel polish is required to be cured. That's something that you have to keep in mind. Make sure that whenever you buy your gel polishes, you look at either the back of the bottle or the box, or even online, look to see how long they require it to be cured, because a lot of them are different. But for me, I usually cure mine for 30 seconds, and that's pretty good. But also it will depend on what kind of lamp you have. Whether it's a lower watts or a higher watts, it's going to take a little bit longer, or they will cure a little bit faster as well. But again, we're just doing a second coat on all of the nails, and then we'll continue on to the bling. Alrighty, so next we're going to go ahead and apply the bling. So I'm going to be doing some of the bigger pieces on the pinky. So I applied my hard gel, and then of course with my wax pencil, picking up the bigger pieces and just placing them right on the hard gel. And I'm going to go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds. And then same thing for the other pinky. You place the hard gel and then just place the bling right on the gel. and cure them. Now this hard gel does have to be cured, but the Mia Secret gel resin does not. It's only called a gel resin, but it's not actual gel. So you don't have to cure it, and that's what I'm using now. And as you guys know, that's what I use for my smaller flat bag bling. Again, I use my wax pencil. I'm using my SS6 and my SS12, my Mia Secret gel resin, and then I'm also going to be using the activator, which is a spray that helps that glue dry a little bit faster. Only because, again, since it is a gel resin, it is a gel consistency. It's a little bit thicker than just regular glue, so it takes a bit longer to dry. But with the activator, it just speeds up the drying time, and it like instantly dries them. So I really recommend it. It's not required, but I do recommend it, and I also feel like it helps the bling stay on a lot longer. I'm sorry. But then also I've had people saying that they're doing the same thing that I'm doing, but they still have bling missing or falling off. So make sure that you also go back around the edges with your glue to kind of seal those edges. You don't have to, of course, do it on top of the bling, but just right around the edges. And then also do the same thing with the top coat, and you should have no problems with them coming off. Now you will have those clients that are really rough with their nails, and there's just no way for you to prevent from them falling off. No matter what glue you use, they're still gonna fall off if your clients are really rough, or depending on what job they have. So don't feel discouraged, but this technique works for me. But again, it's going to depend on your clients as well. I have clients that can keep every single one of the rhinestones on their nails, and then I also have clients that will come back with 2 or 3 on their nails, but they know that they are rough with their nails. But again, I'm just going to go ahead and finish this hand off. And then also, whenever you're applying the bling, just like this, make sure that you're alternating between the different sizes. Do a big one, small one, big one, small one. That way it doesn't look weird, but it looks like a puzzle. It's like a big, or not a big puzzle, but a small puzzle. And you're just filling in the gaps with the smaller ones and the big ones. So again, just make sure that you're alternating between the sizes, and also that you're applying glue as you go. Alrighty, so then again, make sure that you go back and seal the edges with the glue. You don't have to get it on the actual bling, just like in between the gaps. And then for the rest of the nails, we're just going to do a straight horizontal line on each nail, just the small ones, and just going across the nail. And then of course we're going to come back and do a top coat on all of the nails. And then right after we apply the bling, we just spray the activator spray on the glue to help it dry a lot faster. Alrighty, so I sprayed the activator, so now I'm going in with my IBD gel top coat. As you guys know, this is the one that I always use as a top coat, and it works really good, and it stays really shiny as well, and it just works perfectly. So I'll be sure to leave that down in the description. And after we do this, she decided that she wanted chrome on her index fingers, so you will see me go back and add the chrome. And if she would have told me, you know, ahead of time, of course I would have applied the chrome before I applied the bling, but she decided that at the very end, which I had no problem with. But make sure that if she wanted chrome on their nails, if your client wants chrome and bling, that you do the chrome first and then the bling. I just want to make sure I didn't confuse anybody with me doing that, so I just wanted to clarify. But as always, whenever you're doing the chrome, make sure that you only cure for the appropriate time. So for me, it's only 60 seconds, because if not, my chrome will not stick. And then if I cure for less than 60 seconds, it's gonna stick, but it's not gonna give you that holographic look. It's gonna be really sticky. But as always, I just use my makeup wet sponge. I dip it into the chrome and just rub it all over the nail, and then after that I come back and do another top coat. Alrighty, y'all, so here is the final look. They turned out really pretty. That red is so shiny and just so cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram at GetNail32, and I'll see you guys next time.